How to buy crypto on Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Binance. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is first you'll have to get the Binance application and you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you can either log into Binance.us account on the web, or you can do so using the mobile application. Once you open up there, now make sure to complete your account with KYC verification. In my case, I don't want to verify it, so I'm just skipping it. So once you have gone through the verification process, now from here you can either search from the search bar for the particular cryptocurrency that you are looking to buy. Now in my case here you can see there is BNB, BTC, that is Bitcoin, Ethanol, SOL, DOT and such. I'll just select Bitcoin for now. If you tap on it, you'll get the option here, as you can see here on the screen. At the bottom of your screen you can see buy and sell option. Simply tap on buy, and here you want to go ahead and you can see buy BTC option. You want to simply tap on it. Now you want to enter the amount that you wish to buy, the price you can see there, and go ahead and you can see if you buy 20, then it's $86,240 something such. So you want to simply tap on it and you want to tap on buy BTC, and now it'll ask you to what do you want to go ahead and add balance to your account with. You can use P2P trading, buy with USD, or transfer between wallets. And first you want to add in amounts. You want to complete your KYC verification, and then first add in the payment method, and you'll be able to buy it by the method I showed. So this way you can buy crypto on Binance. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.